people might be like, well, like, why even own an old school Mercedes? Oh, see, I'm throwing my thumb in on it already. It's early, guys. But some people probably be like, why even own an old school Mercedes? Like, you know, hey man, it's like this. All used cars aren't built the same. All used cars aren't built the same. So it's like you can like Ford auto, you can like American autos, you can like whatever. You like caddies, like it's some old school. That's what it is too. It's about generations. Like some people is like from that generation, like they want the old school caddies. You know what I'm saying? But it's like I'm from that generation. When you see one of these buggy eye Benzes 1999 and 90s, then you know that that's what I was into. You know what I'm saying? That's the era I'm in. You don't understand. In 1999, what I was doing, bro. Like this is me. So it's like I kind of like want to cherish that era. So it's kind of like that's why we're restoring this. That's why we restoring this. I keep pausing because this garbage truck keep coming. Like, are you gonna take it or not? But anyways, all right. So why even buy an old Mercedes? Why even do it? You gotta have a love for it. That's all I gotta say, man. You gotta just not to be all corny, but you gotta. It's like branded. It's like they got me on their brand. They sold me. You know what I'm saying? They got me. I'm into like I'm into like style. I'm into like oh. Coming to pick that up then. I guess he just ran over it, so I guess he coming to pick it up. Yeah, people been hitting that shit. I was doing the video, but yeah. So I'm just gonna say to him, yo, a couple people done hit that. Because that's what happened. A couple people done hit that. And I guess somebody had to call because that had to do some damage. If I hit that, I'd be mad. So, so I guess some people made the call. So I'm gonna try to, maybe that's, let me try to talk to him real quick. Now he on a little computer. Oh no, he on his phone. He got a nice little Samsung Galaxy, but he need to get off that phone and fix this. But somebody else hit that. Somebody tore their window. Ugh. Yeah, so I guess he coming to fix that. Let me talk to him real quick. Couple people hit that sign right there. Oh yeah? Yeah, so I guess you coming to. Yeah. All right, brother. Yeah, I guess he ain't, I guess, he don't want to get out the car because I would have ran up on him. But anyways, why even buy a Mercedes? Like, why not just get any old used car? Like I was saying, all used cars aren't built the same, man. Like, it's just what you know what I'm saying. So hey, I'm not really saying much in this video because I got kind of thrown off because this whole asphalt situation that's going on in front of my house. But if you stay on this channel, and you will see all the different type of Mercedes that we bring through. You'll see the type of links of the pages that we subscribe to. You'll see that it's not a game. Like you'll see that you'll see me talk about Carl Benz, like you know what I'm saying, like and what he went through. You know what I'm saying, a couple of failures in his first couple businesses. You know what I'm saying, before he locked it down. You know what I'm saying, before he got on target to start this whole Benz company. I mean, we can get deep, but that's gonna happen, of course. And oh yeah, and one more thing is still running. Just put the new soft top on, so you can even see the smoke coming off the top of it. Damn, I hope it's getting that. I hope it's getting like you can even get the mist coming off that. We put that top on, bruh. I gotta try to get this mist. Man. Hold on, that's a whole nother video. I'm about to pause it, come back and try to get this mist. Oh, you can't see it from this side. Nah, it ain't happening from this side. But anyways, people, I'm gonna try to get that mist on another, cause he and I gotta. Ooh, that shit is right. All right, and that might be it. Oh no, I don't know if you can see it. Hopefully you can, but this video just went awry, bro. I was just supposed to talk about Mercedes and why to get a Mercedes, and I wanted to talk about 1999 and you know what I'm saying, what I was doing there, cause I lived a, I want to say a crazy life, but at night and what? If you even, but look, let me just gonna turn around. I got a whole type of situation going on, and then, all right, let me just cut this right now because we gotta wait till they move. But I might upload this anyway. One out.